Hi, this is Sean Rodriguez. I'm an analytical perfumer, and I have collaborated with Ascent-Scientific in creating this database. This is a database that shows the composition of natural essential oils and raw material bases. This database was created to aid in analytical perfumery. It also can aid perfumers in the duplication and creation of new fragrances. This database has also been used for regulatory purposes. In this database, you can search by materials or component. An example of a material would be rose, nutmeg, or lavender oil. These are naturals. Under materials, there are also bases like prunella or sparkling grape, which are synthetic and made of synthetic components found in perfumery. Under components, you will find the individual molecules that make up the naturals and the bases. In analytical perfumery, I'm often looking for the composition of materials based on a component that we call a marker. For instance, there's a component called myristicin that is found in the natural essential oil of nutmeg. If I find myristicin in a fragrance that I'm analyzing, I can then use the database to see what other components come from nutmeg. I can also cross-reference the myristicin in order to see other natural essential oils and or bases that may contain it. If nutmeg doesn't fit or smell correct in the fragrance, I then may look at the components of parsley seed oil, because that also contains myristicin, and using the cross-reference capabilities of this database makes it easy for me to see that. A perfumer may use this database to look up the components of naturals and bases in order to use their components to get the effect of the natural without the cost or regulatory issues associated with the natural. Also, the composition of naturals can be used as inspiration for many fragrances. Regulatory has use of this database to see trace amounts of materials in order to make sure documentation is correct. It makes looking up of this information quick and easy. We hope that you find this database useful in whatever you are doing in perfumery.